For nomads, horse milk is both food and drink, and it takes a lot of effort to milk the horse and drink its milk. The horses eat grass to fill their stomachs and gather milk. When it's time to be milked, the horses come to their foals and wait in line. Gentle horses are milked quickly and don't take much time. They give a lot of milk, and one person can milk them. Milking a wild horse requires 2 people. One holds the horse to protect the person milking. These horses take more time, and the wild horse resists giving milk immediately, as it wants to feed its foal. Milking wild horses is difficult as they may bite or kick and pose a danger to people, so the legs of the wild horse are tied. Once the horse's leg is tied, it stands still and calm, and there is no longer any dongay. The person milking the horse places one foot on the ground and embraces the horse. To prevent the cold from reaching the foot on the ground, they wrap their knee with thick clothing. It takes more than 10 minutes to milk one horse, but if it's a gentle horse, it takes less than 5 minutes. To milk 10 horses, it takes over an hour. After 1 hour, you milk again, and they are milked 7 to 8 times a day. A long rope is tied around the wild horse's neck to make it easier to hold during the next milking. One horse produces about a liter of milk, but the milk from the horse can exceed 1 liter. Horse milk is very potent and can be a remedy for various illnesses,